careful. Come. Hey, slowly, dear. Just few more minutes, we'll reach. Come soon.
Hey, Mohan's auto has come. He'll take care of it. Let's go.
Huh? It's very urgent, sir. Which area?
Nearby bus stop is okay, sir.
Okay, get in. Thank you, sir. Get in. From where are you coming so late? We both came to attend a function, sir. When we were returning back, some rowdies started chasing us, sir. This is a very bad place, bro. So both be careful. Okay, where should I drop you? Thank you so much. Drop us at nearby bus stop, sir. All right. Bro, my mother's not feeling well, so I'll just make a visit and come immediately. Bro, please both come. We'll have a cup of coffee and go.
It's okay, sir. You go and come,
Please
sir.
come, bro. Sister, you also come.
Okay, let's go.
Hey,
He's calling us now. We'll go.
Be careful. Take care. Just see.
Don't be afraid, dear. We'll go. In such a big house, only 2 people are staying. I think it's a very old house.
Hey, no, please. I'm afraid of this.
No, don't worry. The auto driver is very good. Come, let's have a cup of tea with him.
Oh my god, this time.
What is this? I don't think there is a family inside this house.
Hey, come, let's go. We should not stand here, please.
You sit down. Where did the auto driver go? He's not seen here. Maybe he would have gone upstairs. Dear, you just wait here. I'll just go and find out him, okay?
Please come soon.
Sure, dear. I'll come. Sir? Sir?
She looks like a female, eh? Our dude always gives a surprise, man. No. I'll go the other way around. Wow, man. Wow, she's awesome, man. Really awesome, man. Hey! Don't get scared. It's me. Don't get scared. Come. Come to me.
No.
Come. I will not do anything.
leave me.
You come, man. Come. I want to look very beautiful.
Leave me, I said.
Hey, no
Leave me,
point.
leave
Come here.
me.
Wait here.
Sir?
What? Hitting me, huh? Trying to hit me, huh? Come here. Come here. Won't listen, Don't avoid me.
What's that?
Listen. is over, dude. Hold him properly. Yeah. I'm holding you. Okay, be careful. Take him out. Slowly. Be careful, man. Don't drop him. Slow. Here.
What have you done, guys? What will I tell if uncle asks me? Thank God, no one has seen. We'll have to dispose that girl also so that we don't have any problem.
Yeah, dude. True.
Shit. Gardner is here, man. Okay, we'll have to handle him somehow. Come, let's talk to him. Come. What, bro? Why are you sitting here?
What, bro? This is a cold month, but still you guys are sweating like this?
Hey, Oldie, that's because...
Tell me.
Hey, that's none of your business. Keep moving. Hey, why are you getting so angry, man? What did my uncle say? You're getting angry for such a small thing? Hey, I don't know what he asked and why he asked. He shouldn't ask anything to me. Are you trying to put up a quarrel with me or what? Each and everyone has got thousands of problems. Cannot share anything with you. Get lost, man. Hello, what are you trying to say now? If you raise your voice and speak, you think we are not noticing what you guys are doing.
Hey, please wait. Hey, why are you talking to Oldie like this, man?
Just wait. Bro, please come for a minute. Bro, we have committed a mistake. I'll tell you. Please sit down. Here, bro. Have a cigarette.
It's okay, I have a
It's
cigarette.
Okay. Please
It's
have.
okay.
Come on.
Okay, tell me, bro.
Bro, please don't mistake us. The stupid fellow Murugesh, he brought his auntie's daughter. Actually, I don't know what is the problem. She's left her house and come. He could have informed her house. Instead of doing that, he has misbehaved with that girl. Already she was very upset. At that time, this boy misbehaved with her. She became very upset and she consumed poison. Now she is no more. And we were planning to inform the police. But body will be taken to the hospital and postmortem will be done. Whatever it is, she is auntie's daughter. That boy Murugesh is really upset about that. Bro, please do help for us.
Sure, tell me.
We are not brave enough to face that girl's body. Bro, I'll give you some money. Please, bro. Somehow you try to cremate that girl's body, bro. Nobody should know this matter, bro. Please.
Lift slowly.
I'll take care. Yeah.
Slowly.
You also lift properly.
Slowly, come.
Whatever nonsense these fellows are doing, everything is coming and landing on us. They are committing crimes over and over again. God knows when they are going to get caught.
Hello. Hey. Hey, listen now. Your phone is ringing.
Hello? Yeah, say, brother. I'm fine. He's sleeping, brother. Okay, bro. From 2 days onwards, courier man is coming.
For what?
Some courier is there, it seems. You have to put sign and take.
Why you could have collected?
If you give only, na? He is asking about you. What can I say? Shall I say that my husband will be coming only once at 4 days? You're not coming.
Hey, are you kidding? Huh? You're talking too much. Hey, I cannot tell you where I'm going and what I'm doing, okay? I'm earning and enjoying my life, that's it. I'll come 4 days once, maybe I'll come once in 4 years also. Nobody's got the rights to ask me, it is my decision.
Yeah. Mommy? Mommy!
Hey, our daughter is calling you.
Huh?
Just check what she wants.
Nothing is less in this. What, dear? Hey, what the hell is thinking in your mind? Nowadays, you're not at all giving call for me. Even if I call also, you're not lifting. Even if you take also saying that you're busy and not able to talk properly at all. Whenever I call to your mobile, always it is busy and it is waiting. When you start loving me, you used to do at least 200 times per day. Even if I ask you to cut also, you won't listen and keep on talking. Nowadays, you're not at all bothering. Then how I have to talk with you?
Let's sit somewhere there.
Even if I come to see you at your home also, you're not being there.
Oh, what are you trying to say? Simply going on talking? That's what I'm trying to explain. I was busy. Troubling unnecessarily.
Yeah, now you will feel vexed only.
If I go there, they give me trouble. If I come here, she gives me problem.
Check.
Shut.
Dear, I'm not able to live without you. Even I'm not able to eat without you. You're my everything. And all you used to say me now, 1,000 times I'm feeling for that. You know that?
Hey, that's because...
Say what? What you have to say? Come on, say what you're about to say. Say whatever you say, I'll listen to that. Why did you stop? Come on, say. Look here, do you like me or not? Will you marry me or not? Or you are loving someone else?
What are you trying to say?
Come on, speak out.
Why are you talking like this? A life without you, I cannot even think of it.
Oh, is that so? What an affection. Super, na? Talking nicely. See, finally I want to say you one thing. I want to live here or want to drown on the lake and die. It is all up to you. Decide yourself.
What are you trying...
Hey, give it to me.
Hey, give it here.
Hey, White, where are you now? A good news for us. You've just got a superb girl, so you start immediately and come here. Hey, Murugesh is also coming, so come soon. The usual lodge where we put the room. Come quick, okay? And one more important thing, don't come empty-handed. Bring that stuff also. That girl was very upset that day because you did not have any stuff with you. Hey, and I wanted to ask you one more thing.
Just give it here.
How did you handle that girl? She was praising you very much. In fact, she's telling me that this time she has to enjoy with you first. I'm wondering what happened with both of you that day. Okay, buddy, come as soon as possible. And don't forget that stuff. Hey, I'm telling you because that girl has insisted very much. Okay, buddy, see you soon.
Hey, Anu, just please. Hey, those fellas spoiled everything, man. Who the hell asked you to call me?
What happened?
Why did you call me, man, when I'm sitting with my lover? Don't know when to call or what. Somehow I was just trying to convince her. You spoiled every bit of that, man. Look, saw it, right? What she's talking and going. Huh. That's all, dude. Huh. Just because of you, I'm having problems.
Hey, just stop it, okay? How could I know that you are with your lover? Why did she pick up the call?
Hey, shut up, man. Leave it. No point talking about all that now. Now that she's gone. Hey, we asked Pandey to come also, right?
I forgot that, buddy. Come, let's go.
See, Mohan, knowingly or unknowingly, you are in deep shit now. Now you just let it go. Only then you can escape. If you don't listen, you are in trouble. Understand? Now, if you think I'm going to be a nice man, I'm going to listen to my wife and live a disciplined life, not only you, your entire family is going to get caught.
Who?
What, sir? Are you trying to blackmail me? Are you joking with us? Not 1 or 2, 14 rapes. All have traveled in your auto. Do you know what will happen if somebody comes to know about that? Just think about that.
What, dude? You're talking like this now?
Okay, sir. Now what should I do?
Mohan, there are 4 people who came from abroad. They are asking for some chicks. They are ready to pay any amount.
In that case, we also have a demand. We'll use first and then we'll give you. Is it okay? You always do like that only. What is the difference now? Okay, boss. I have a question. Don't you get chicks like this abroad, huh?
Hey, White, people who keep small hotels, if they have to manage star hotels, they have to actually manage customers by supplying like this. In this matter, I am very correct. That is why all the hotel owners in the town depend on me. And I, in turn, have to depend on you
Fine.
guys.
I'll arrange immediately and I'll give you a call. You can pay the amount to him. Now you can go.
Okay, as you are asked, I'll send the amount.
Go, man.
What, White?
Hmm.
Come fast. White. I have not seen Murugesh for a long time.
God knows where he's.
I'm wasting my life supplying girls to these guys. Okay,
True, man.
come, let's move.
Hey, dude. Where are you? It's getting late, man. Come fast, man.
Hey, just stop it, okay? I'm still not able to find a customer. I'm still upset about that. We'll try to pick up someone. Just keep the phone. Yeah, finally I've got a customer.
Will this auto go now?
Yeah,
Shall we?
sit down.
Get inside.
Yeah, hello, bro. Tell me.
Show me the meaning of being wealthy. Hey, did you talk to a dude or what?
I was speaking with bro only.
Huh.
He has sent people to the shop.
Okay.
Just call and check where is Mohan.
Okay. Hello.
Tell me, White.
Hey, Mohan. Our dude has sent us people as usual.
Okay.
Where are you now?
Reaching soon, dear.
Okay, come fast.
Sir, I'm feeling very tired. Let me have a juice, sir.
Hmm.
Do you both require something?
Just tell for 2 cold drinks.
Okay, sir. Bro, 1 juice and 2 cool drinks.
Fanta.
Hey, White. Bro is actually supplying females on one side. Our dude Vasu is sending us money from abroad. Mohan is our muscle power. What else do we want in life?
True, bro. I was just thinking about what you said. Truly, we are lucky guys. Hey, our dude has come, man. Hey, dude.
Get in
Hey,
fast,
super,
man.
Good. Hey, dude. The chick is looking
Get in
really
fast, man. Somebody will see.
Hey, nice chick, man. Nice chick. Huh? Move a little closer to her, man.
Brother, did you call me over phone or what?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm at the spot now. We'll give you the report within half an hour, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir.
Hey, come here.
What is
Who
the
gave
matter, sir?
information?
Sir, I got a call that there is a dead body here. I came and saw. After that only I called you.
Have you informed the ambulance?
I have informed, sir.
Any clue about the body?
Coming, sir.
I think it should have happened early morning. Three not one. Bro, just come here.
What, brother?
What? Have you cremated a body there?
Hey bro, are you joking with me? Last week you had told me to cremate a body here, that's what I've done. You forgot that so soon.
Hey, are you mad? Will anybody cremate the body at house itself?
Bro, cremating the body in our house itself is safe for us. If you want, I will cremate the body at some other place.
Okay, you do one thing. You put more mud in that place and make that place even, okay?
As you wish, bro.
Uncle, in our net a wild boar is caught. If the forest people see, they will not give it to us. Just come fast.
What, dear? You're not at all listening to me. Come on, stay steady.
Enough, Mom.
Come on, don't look at the mirror often. I told you to stand steady, no?
Mom,
What,
please.
madam? It's already 10
Yeah,
today.
please come.
Still, I have not received the monthly rent from you. And your husband, he's not picking up my call when I'm trying to call him. Do you have the idea of paying the rent or not?
Sir, he is already in tight position. Owner also took the auto, sir. We don't have any income now. Please wait for 2 days, sir.
You're always trying to support your husband. Since you're a very nice girl, I'm not telling you to vacate the house, okay? As you said, you have to give me the rent in 2 days.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Come, let's go.
Nowadays, our people have stopped believing in the police. Till now, 50 to 75 people have been killed, out of which 10 to 15 deaths have been termed as accidental deaths. Taking account of the incidents, we understand this is all lies. Just one person cannot commit the crime. There is a big racket behind all this. So many murders have been committed and not even a single proof is there against them. Then how will the people instill their belief in us? Yes, Inspector, in your area only there has been too many crimes happening and there has been no response from your end. Senior officials are going on questioning me. What should I answer them? Over and above that, the politicians are actually showering shame upon us. On the other side, it's the media. Who should we answer to?
Sir, I'm trying my level best to find the killer, sir. They are trying new ways to dispose the body, so what can I do for that? We have got our own limitations, sir.
Sir, they have not arrested anyone on the basis of doubt.
It's not fair to have a doubt on everybody, sir. Please try to understand.
Actually, doubting itself is a policeman's job.
Will you please shut your mouth? What are you talking? Sir, you know about me. I'm a very sincere and dedicated police officer. I am trying my level best to somehow find the killer, sir. Please try to understand.
Yeah, cool down, sit down. So, Inspector, for nabbing the culprits, do you need more time and police force?
Sir, this job is not done by one person. It's a group of people. So I require some more time and a group of police officers to help me too. Then alone we can find the killer's group at the earliest, sir. Sir, this is the only idea I have got to find out the culprits at the earliest, sir. Please. It's our job to take care of the public, sir.
Oh, we'll take the step.
Thank you, sir. Hey, buddy. Come.
What, man? You're surprised or what?
Wow.
Hey!
Welcome, buddy. Welcome to this place. It's really a surprise, buddy.
What surprise, man?
Ah.
There's another surprise now.
Oh, really?
My wife, Rupa, come out. The luggages are kept in the
Okay.
car. Please bring it
Sure,
inside.
buddy. Hey, come, let's
Hey,
move.
is this Vasu's wife?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Morgan?
Yeah.
White? Ramesh?
Hey, I think we have seen her somewhere.
Hey,
No, man,
how
where
could
have
have
we
we
seen
seen
her?
this girl?
How are you all?
Very
Fine.
fine, ma'am. You can see it, right?
I'm going to see only. We'll see.
Hey, is this...
Why is it all like this? They had asked me money for whitewashing the house. They have done nothing here.
They both seem to be a good pair.
Hey, listen, man, I want to say something. Hey, I've
just
seen
shut
this
up,
girl
okay?
somewhere, man.
Don't
I've seen
blabber.
her, man.
Just come. Come with me. This fellow's gone crazy, man.
Man, try to understand, dude. Don't get caught.
Buddy, he'll ask why did you not paint the house. We just have to manage him, okay? Come, come, come.
Okay. Bye, man. Hi, dude. Sit, man.
What, buddy? Just sitting alone quietly? We were searching you downstairs.
Hey, dude is actually used to AC only. Moreover, this place is very cool
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
right? Whatever AC you're sitting, it won't be like our village, right?
Yes.
Hey, what did you tell me over phone, man?
Why? What happened?
You have to whitewash the house. For that, you need 50,000. I sent you 75,000 bucks. With that money, I expected you to wash the floors at least.
No, dude. We knew that you would come, but didn't know when. That's why we thought we'll do it when you come.
Hey, Murugeshan, don't lie to our buddy. Buddy, I'm so sorry. I have not told you a thing. It's a very important secret. Just like you, I've got a good friend. Suddenly, his wife called me. My friend had a massive attack. I don't know what to do. So, without asking you, I gave your money for his hospital expenses. Don't mistake me.
Oh my god, I didn't know that. Is it?
Yeah.
It's okay, leave it, man. We'll ask somebody to come tomorrow and get the house
Thank you
whitewashed.
so much,
Have
buddy.
juice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have it, please.
Thank you.
Whoever used to come for help, immediately he will do.
Superman.
Helping others is the passion for him only. What, Mohan?
Huh?
Hey, I heard a female voice screaming, man. I frantically searched everywhere. Can only hear the anklet noise, but couldn't see anyone. I'm getting scared, man. I don't know who is it.
It's nobody else, dude. It's she only.
Hey, just stop it. It's not possible at all. How can she come as a ghost? Are you blabbering? It is our buddy's wife, man. You guys are mad.
Hey, come, let's go, man. What are you doing, man? Can't you knock the door and come inside? Why this haste, man? We wanted to
Actually, we were got scared.
Say it, man. Hey, I want to tell you something very important. We are waiting outside. You come fast. Okay, you go. I'm coming.
Morgan, you are interested to see the live show, right? Then what else?
I'm really confused. This is the girl we saw there, right? How did she come here?
Morning, how the ghost will come? You tell me.
My mother has told me that in the daytime ghost will come. Go.
Just go.
Hey, I was going peacefully to college, happily moving around with good chicks. You brought me here and caught me held up with a ghost. Go, man.
Then what I was doing? I was going to the garage and maintaining everything there. Now I'm amidst a ghost now.
Okay, leave it, man. All this won't work out for us. At the earliest, we should flee from here.
Hey, if we leave the place, then we'll have to face a problem.
What problem should we face, dude? Problems will be actually for Marshall only, right?
Hey, that stupid fellow has cremated the body inside this compound. Do you know that? After we leave the place, if he tries to see that, we'll get into trouble.
What do you mean? We should stay here and die in the hands of this ghost? Or
What else to do?
Why should you die? I will take the body from that place and cremate it this side.
Look what he's saying.
Or else I will burn the body completely.
Hey, you! Will you just stop it? Already we are facing a lot of problems and you're trying to convince us. We know how to take care of this issue. Please leave.
Okay, buddy, I thought I could just help you. Vasu has asked for some fish. Let me go to the nearby lake and get some fish and also some liquor for him.
Hey, oldie, if you get some wild boar, you get it, man. Heavy muscle pain all over the body. Should recoup it.
Let me try, bro.
Come, sir. Please sit. Hello, bro. How are you?
What, buddy? Today you have not gone for hunting.
What, dude? Can't go for hunting like before. Apart from the police trouble, we also have people trouble. People have become vegetarians now. If you catch a rat, they say you caught a tiger. Why the trouble?
See how the way he's talking?
Whatever we do, they say exactly the opposite. They lodge a complaint to the police.
Why are you very upset, bro? Some people always want to have non-veg food. You cannot change people's habit. Otherwise, you will have problem. Let me tell you. Try to do something,
You're expecting
bro.
from me, I'll do it for you, bro.
Come, have this.
What, sir? You're only giving me 100.
That's enough. Just bring some.
Give me some more, sir.
What, bro?
Give one more 10 rupees, sir.
First, bring the stuff. Then I'll give you.
Okay, be here, sir. If I get something, I'll bring. Okay, sir. Saw this uncle. When you're giving him 10 rupees less, see how he's talking.
It's okay. He's also a very poor man.
If you struggle in your life now, we need not struggle later. Don't forget to smile when you work, or else you will have. Vasu normally calls me, but God knows why he's not calling me. What happened to my Vasu? Maybe he's busy. As soon as I thought about him, he's calling me. I know he will not forget me. He will not. He's calling me. Hello, Vasu. It's me, uncle speaking. Hello. This is my nephew's number. How did you get it? In India or what? Hey, my nephew is in Malaysia. If he comes to India, he'll come directly here. What? He bought a house, he got married or what? Who's the girl? A white lady here. I will not leave him. Hey, if he marries a white lady, I will come there and slit his head off. Hey, I'm coming, man. White lady, huh?
Good morning, bro. How are you?
Hello,
What,
Chennaya.
bro? You have told me to come. What's the reason?
Nothing, man.
Ah.
I found a treasure.
Treasure? From where did he get that treasure? I am getting confused. What, brother? Is it gold or diamond?
You heard about our neighboring village?
Yes, I know.
There is 15 acres of land and a bungalow.
Yes, I know that.
That a foreigner has actually purchased.
Okay.
At that place, his wife is possessed by a ghost. There we got to go and enact a simple drama.
What should I do?
Now the drama is, you will have to go there and tell that if you are staying here, each of you will
Should I
die.
involve in this matter?
If you pull a drama like that, they will get scared and will want to get out from that place.
After that, bro?
Later on, we are going to take over that place.
How is that possible?
How long are you going to run a small tea shop? Therefore, you're going to don the costume of a sage.
What, bro? I'm expert only in preparing tea, bro. Sometimes coffee too. How can I handle ghosts, bro?
Hey, you crazy man. You have some leaves on the left hand and some ashes on the right hand and chant some names of some gods. Automatically, the ghost is going to flee.
It's very good to hear, bro. But hope I will not face any problem there.
Hey, just obey, man. He'll take care of everything, nah.
Don't worry, I am there, right? Huh? Go confidently. Huh?
Oh, okay, bro.
Huh? From tomorrow, you're a rich man, dude. I'll be your employer also.
Okay, let me go.
What more should I do? Hey, take the car, man.
Okay, bro.
Hey, oldie. There is too much of ghost trouble in the house. Initially, the trouble was actually very less. Now the trouble
Hey,
is really
boss is
permanent. Then oldie.
What are you guys telling?
True, oldie. We came to enjoy here and now we are in trouble.
Bro, I hope I will not face any problem.
Hey, now you're a sage, man. Don't get confused and talk anything wrong. You get me? Go confidently.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, keep this.
Give me that lemon. I don't know what is going to happen. We'll have to handle properly. May God bless you all. May God give you all good health. May God give you all good wealth. May God give you prosperity. May God bless you all.
Hey, who are you, man? What do you want? Mr. Sage, please take your seat. This sage has come directly from Haridwar to our house. Do you know how knowledgeable he is? He is very divine and we are very fortunate to even have seen him.
What a big night. My dear children, please listen to me very carefully.
Tell me.
This place where you're staying now, it's been affected by a ghost very recently.
Hey, I'm going out now. I'll come back in the evening. I don't know what is wrong with my wife. She's very angry. She has broken everything in the house. Please clean everything, okay? I'm starting off now. Oh, I think I missed my purse. I'll just go inside and take it. Hey, Rupa. Get up.
Just tell me what.
Oh my god, just get up. Those three fools have brought some sage to drive away the ghost. Somehow you get up and manage.
Come later.
Oh my god, our plan will go for a toss. Get up. Get your makeup done. Come. Fast.
Leave me.
Come. You do the rest. Fast. Do the rest. Fast. Come. Do you need any assistance actually, sir?
I'm there to take care. You need not worry at all.
me.
Then you get it. You might get a big
I will
treasure.
give your share too. God bless you all. God
Hello,
bless you
gardener
with
sir.
good health.
Please come.
For what?
He's calling
come
you,
with
no?
me,
You have to go out.
Okay, sir. I'll come with you.
Hey, Swami. This is the right time. Vasu has gone out. Now you
This
can
is
go
what
inside.
I've got to send the ghost from this place. No, so nothing to worry. May God bless all. Let all be happy in this world. May God bless all. Nobody is seen here? Where have these people gone? Anyway, I will not leave the ghost. I will definitely send it out. These people don't know about my actual power. I will see to it that everything is going on fine. They don't know about me. Oh my God. Bless you, my dear.
Come here.
God bless you.
I want to see one dog.
Oh yes, definitely we can talk. You can talk with me whatever you want, okay? May God bless you, my dear young girl. Please leave this body at the earliest. When are you planning to hear my instruction? Come on, tell me. Tell me soon.
Hey, irritating, idiotic fellow. You don't have sense. You bitch, don't play with me. I will come without telling you, you're right. I am very dangerous ghost, you know.
What is she talking nonsense?
I won't leave anyone, you know. I will drink your blood. Careful with me. Don't think me cheap ghost I
I
am.
think I have to handle this case in a different way. Okay, let me try. Hey, my dear ghost, tell me what should I do for you to go from here soon? Okay, tell me, my dear ghost, what do you like to have to go away from this young lady? Come on.
I want your life. Will you give?
What is this? She's asking my life for that?
So finally, you want to play with my life, my dear young ghost? Please, here, I will not accept your request, okay? I know how to drive you from here. Don't hit me! It's paining! Oh, my dear mother, don't hit me! Let me move from here!
What, man? No news about that fellow?
He's running and coming, bro. Bro, the way he's running, I feel he's got beaten very badly.
My dear brother, I am not even able to keep one step with his leg, bro. The ghost which I found there is not a very ordinary one, bro. She is a very powerful and dangerous ghost. Each and every punch of hers was very powerful. Not that alone, bro. She is accompanied by another 4 ghosts also.
Which means we settle her, we'll get the house.
Not at all possible. It is not an ordinary ghost like you think, bro. That one ghost is equal to 100 dangerous ghosts, bro.
Okay, we'll see what we can do. Change your costume and we'll go for another
He
hunt.
himself has got beaten up. How is he going to get us a job? I don't know.
Hey,
Come,
Baldy,
let's go.
shut up, man. Don't talk unnecessarily.
Hey, today I'm going to decide whether it is me or her. Where is my nephew? Where is she? Today I'm going to cut her. I'm going to slit open this white woman's throat. Hey, where is my nephew? Hey, where is he? Where is he? Tell me.
Oh my
Hey,
God, he's coming.
hey,
He's
tell
crazy.
me. Come on.
Hey, he's a mad guy,
Tell
man.
me properly. Hey, tell me truly. Come on. Come on. After coming from Malaysia, when you come to India, why didn't you come to my house and you're coming and staying here? Do you have any clue how I brought you up? Without getting married, I have actually taken care of you so well in your childhood. And today you get married to a white woman and you came here, huh? I'll cut that white woman into pieces. I will not leave her. Ah! Hey, my nephew is very good. He's living away in Malaysia. Now this lady has
Yeah,
come
go there,
to kill
go there
him.
soon.
Hey, tell her where is she? Ask her to come and
No, she's
I am
sitting
going to
that
kill
side.
her.
Come on,
I want to kill
upstairs.
her.
Go there.
Oh, is it? Oh. Hey, come out
Who's
peacefully.
this crack fellow here? Where did you get him from? The way he is running, he looks like he's going to roll off 1 or 2 heads.
Hey, actually this man is Vasu's uncle, you know. Yesterday this man tried calling Vasu. That's how I came to know that he's Vasu's uncle. Actually, I had picked up the call. He thought it's Vasu and became very emotional. Finally, I had to explain that I am Vasu's friend and I told about Vasu's new wife also. He started shouting. Today morning, actually, I had to meet Vasu to get his vehicle from him. And you know what I did? Straight away, I took the vehicle to this man's house and now I brought him here. He will take care of everything. Now our problem is solved.
Hey,
He's not
that's a
worry
good
at all,
idea,
okay?
man.
Please forgive me, uncle.
Hey, man, whatever you say, I will not leave that white girl.
Uncle, please listen
I
to what
will not listen to whatever you say. Call that white woman.
You know actually very well about me. I am just like my father only. Actually, what happened is...
What are you looking up for now?
Get up, my dear.
take it,
You
take
have
it.
to eat this medicine.
Carefully.
Slowly.
Who is she, brother?
I found this girl at the place where I was working. Her life was spoiled. I and your husband somehow saved this girl from that building. Thank God nothing happened to her. They thought that this girl has died. Those guys has to be put behind bars. We have to take care.
She is looking so poor. You don't worry, brother. I'll look after her. We should not leave this type of people at all. We have to teach them a good lesson.
You're 10% right. It will happen. I'm leaving this girl with you. She should get back her lover in her life. For that, what else we have to do? That we have to think now.
I have a good idea.
Tell me.
We have to take revenge with this girl itself.
If you have to find the girl's lover, the girl has to act like a ghost. Tell an idea.
If that girl has to act like a ghost, she has to eat all the bones of the skeletons at the graveyard. And she has to drink the blood also. She may have to eat the bodies which is not burned properly in the graveyard.
Not only that, she has to do rope climbing. She has to hang like a dead body. She has to laugh like a ghost also.
Not only that, she has to take lot of mud from the graveyard and put in her body. She has to run after that. People seeing her will get frightened because of that.
right.
She should be like that.
When she will walk, there should be a jingling sort of noise. And then there should be a jasmine smell all over this place.
Not only that, burning body has to be grabbed by
You
her.
should put that on her shoulder and walk in the streets.
People will think she's a ghost.
Hey, you are the people I was searching for. Let's go.
Uncle!
Oh, my nephew.
Oh, my uncle!
I didn't know you were such a nice person, my nephew.
Still, you had actually brought a knife to kill her, right, uncle?
What, man? He seems to be over emotional. Gosh. Hey, I think he's killed her.
Yeah.
Superman. Oh, my nephew, we have taken a hasty decision.
Everyone is here. They should not know me.
Hey, she's alive.
Daddy! 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 Why are you crying,
don't
Daddy?
cry, my dear. You take my nephew. You
Please
also
tell
take
me
my
and
dear.
cry, Daddy.
Please have.
Hey, come, let's go. We'll take her later.
Yes, we'll see you later. Uncle again. Once again, I have to cry.
My nephew has married such a nice girl. Such a nice girl that she is. I was trying to kill her in haste. Actually, you are a nice person, my son. My daughter, you should be really living happily. Even my own daughter may not be as good as you. Hello, dude. Just drop me back and come.
I'm not well.
Hey, bro, please.
I said I'm not well.
Brother, just drop me and come.
Actually, I've got stomachache. Go, man.
You got stomach pain? Why, bro?
Shit.
Bro, just drop me and come.
I've got a hip pain, man.
Only your hip is paining, no? Your hand only drives, right? Just drop me and come, brother.
Hey, just shut up and sit down there, man. You're mad or what? You don't have sense or what? You want me to travel with this pain or what? Get out from this place, I said. You don't know about my bad temper. Don't irritate me further. What a comic character, man.
Oh my god, everyone is hitting me. My nephew. Oh my god, where am I supposed to go now?
Hey, where did you get this fellow from,
You
man?
said he's a very gallant killer and all.
Mad fellow he is. Hey, shall we dig the dead body and see if it is there? If the dead body is missing, then we can confirm that it is not Rupa. If it is there, then we can dig it out and see what we can do. What are you trying to say? What, man? You're believing all this?
Hey, I think he's right. We should not have any problem, buddy. I think we have to open the cremated body. We'll just give it a try. Hey, we should do it. So move on.
Hey, this is actually very risky. This is actually like digging our own graves. Be careful.
Hey,
let's
just do
come
what
to
I
work
say,
here.
okay?
Come. Oldie! Oldie! Hey, Oldie!
Don't wake him, man. He just slept now. Just give me the spade and the pickaxe fast. Why do you want it at
Hey,
this
it's
hour?
urgent, man. Give it. There's an urgency.
Okay, wait. Give it, man.
Give it here. Drunk or what?
Bro, my dear bro, just come with me. Come here, bro. Come here. Your 3 friends who have come here. All of them just came to my house now. They've collected some utensils from me. You know for what is that? They just wanted to open the cremated body and see that.
Oh, okay.
You somehow have to stop that. I just came here to tell you that.
Okay, thank you so much. You go. I'll
Okay,
take care of
bro.
that.
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
Shall we start?
Yeah, do it fast. You start from this side and you that side.
Okay.
Hey, you give that to me. Just see whether somebody's coming.
Okay.
Hey, those fellows are there. I'll set everything right. Wait.
what are you doing?
Just turn around. I'll set everything right. Go fast. Go fast.
Super! Just take away. But everywhere I'm only there. Inside also. Even outside also. Oh my god. They are afraid. I'll see. You go.
Super. Good. Hey, brother.
Welcome, guys.
Rupa, they really got scared like shit. Now we can stop our drama from here on. You go and tell them all the truth. You go and tell Rupa. When I see those guys, I feel pity.
So for you, they are soft-hearted people, and I am bad. Am I right? Those three people have committed mistakes, and you are trying to protect them. No, I will not leave anybody. I will see the end of them. Yeah. I want the lives of those people at any cost. I want to see their body going from this earth.
Hey, don't joke around here. Your craziness has got no limits now. Okay, I'll go and bring them myself here. You sit here.
Hey, sit here. Can I have some stuff?
Yes, you can.
Then go and bring it to me. Go immediately.
Take it. Oh my god. How can you drink like this?
A cigarette.
Okay.
You have a cigarette?
No, Rupa. Just listen to me.
Give me.
Please, Rupa, no.
Cigarette. Hey, you. What are you doing? Come on. Light it.
Here, come. Take it.
You can go now. Go. I said you can go. Get lost.
Hey boss, you said you wanted to build a big guest house here. Nothing you did. When are you going to build that?
I'm making a plan for that. I will build it at the earliest. Yeah, you have to see. Hey, come slowly, man. Hey, who is this fellow? He's not even respecting
Our
us.
boss has come, you get out, man.
Get down.
Brother, what do you want now?
We are giving porridge to the poor people. We want money for that.
No money, brother. If you don't give money for the porridge, our deity will pluck your eyes.
Yeah.
What, brother? You need money only, right?
Yes.
In that bungalow, a gentleman has come from abroad. If you go there, he'll give you lots of money. Boss, he says he's come from abroad. We'll go there and get in bulk and come.
Come, let's move.
Boss, you have asked for some temple expenses. You keep this money on behalf of our family.
Hey, you
Man,
foolish guy. You are just giving 10 rupees for us to eat porridge.
Go, man, go. You're going to get caught now.
Bro, knowing or unknowingly we did some mistake. And because of that, we are facing big problems now. The most dangerous problem for us is the ghost. You try to somehow send the ghost away. We'll be happy.
Bro, it is not an easy job to send away that ghost. Until Vasu move away from this place, we cannot think about that at all. Do you understand?
Okay, bro. Then tell us some other way.
What is the point of feeling bad now? You have played with the lives of so many girls. Is it one or two? Hey, don't speak unnecessarily. Saw this dude. This is what happens if you ask a gardener's opinion. Who asked you to ask us? Uncle, I told you not to have their company. Did you listen to me? Now if you don't listen to me further, we are going to end up in deep trouble, uncle.
Sir, I didn't see you. You please sit there. Have
It's
coffee,
okay, dear.
sir.
It's okay. We have some work in the garden. Let us go and complete it.
Okay, sir. Please have it.
No, I don't want.
What you are thinking?
Actually, I don't normally drink milk. That's the reason.
Oh, you won't drink hot milk, ah?
Where is she gone, man?
She vanished.
Oh my god. Hey, not here, man.
Hey,
Look, not here anywhere.
Buddy,
she's nowhere here, man.
we just saw her
She
now,
just
right?
vanished. Even I
Hey,
saw her.
I can hear a baby crying, man. Somewhere
Yes,
from there,
buddy.
yeah.
Yeah, I can hear a sound from there only.
Come, let's go and see. Hey, that noise is coming inside that well.
Yeah, man. Hey, what is it, man? I think it's Rupa only. Yeah?
Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome to all. Come, let us all play in this well. Come on. Come on, guys, quick. Let us play. Come.
Now again, where is she? Where is she? Oh my god, she was just now
What
here
can
only.
we do now?
Huh? Huh?
No idea, man. Not
Hey, some noise is coming from the terrace.
We have to see. We have to see. We'll just go there and see. Come, come. What, man? It's only raining there. I don't understand. Man, I'll let you know. What, bro? Our life has become like this. It seems like we have dug our own graves. Can't swallow even one drop of saliva down my throat. Hey, look there. Yeah,
she's coming.
What happened? Why you are become dull? Just tell me. What's the time? You people not even had your dinner? I'm planning to eat with you people. Please come, no? Come, we'll have the food. Just tell me, dear. I'm going to take all the things. Please come inside, dear. Take them to come inside.
Hey, food? No, man. We don't need food like this.
Go there. Go there.
Oh, hey, no,
I said
dude,
get
don't,
lost.
Don't leave us.
How are you, White? Hey, why are you going away from me? Come nearer. Come If anyone tries to escape from this place, I will kill you.
Oh my god, what is happening to all of us now? Oh my god, I got beaten badly. Bro. Oh
She was muscling me up there.
Okay, look, cool. She's gone now. So let's be cool. We'll have to do something.
Rupa is possessed. I'm damn sure about that. She herself is a ghost, man.
You mean your wife?
Hmm? Who are you guys? Who are these fellows now?
Gold, huh? Sorry, boss.
Who are these filthy creatures, man? Who are these fellows surrounding us like this?
Hey, what are you looking for? Our boss has come. Can't you greet him? You stupid fellas. Hey, what are you staring, man?
Hey, what are you looking at, man? Our boss is only the boss of this place.
Are you guys not ashamed to collect money like this? We cannot give any money.
Whenever our boss wants money, he'll come and ask you. It is his wish. You have to give it. That's it. And don't ask questions. Just give the required money.
Hey, what the hell are you asking here? Get lost, man. Hey, what are you guys talking like this to our fellows, man? Huh? What do you think you can talk like this, huh? One hit I'll give you, you'll turn into ashes, man. Come on, man. Don't talk to me. Hey, wait, let me say. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Listen. You go inside, the house owner lady will be there. If you ask her, she'll give you everything in bulk. Go and ask her.
Hey, boss, let us not waste time talking to these fellas. We'll go inside and get it in bulk. We'll come and take care of you guys. We'll come back. Sit here only till we are back.
Hey, what is this? Nobody's seen this house. Huh? Boss, I think this lady will give us money. Hi, lady. Our boss has come for fund collection. Please give us a very good amount. Come on soon.
Hey, she's sleeping, man. Oh, you should be waking up. We have come to take money from you, na. Please get up and give us money. Hey, is she a lady or what? She's sitting like this? No, not me, not me. No. Don't do anything, man. Oh my God. No.
This man in the photograph and the murders happening around, there is a correlation. That's the reason why I'm showing these photographs to you. We have to collect details about these guys. Is it okay? His name is Mohan. He's an auto driver. Next, this fellow's name is White. He's a college student. Next, his name is Murugesh. He's a car mechanic. If we, as a team, search and arrest these fellows, we will get the clue for these murders. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Alright, lights on. So, these fellows are the culprits. It's confirmed. Therefore, you guys will have to go in Mufti and arrest these fellows. Nobody should get a clue that we are going to arrest them. Understand?
Yes, sir. Those guys have not come out till now.
Those fellows won't come now. Who are these new
Hey,
fellows now?
who are you guys, man? Hey, what do you mean, who are you? One I'll give you
Hey,
now.
don't get excited.
You're
man.
living in our place and you're asking who our boss is, huh?
Okay, let me know why you
Hey,
came.
what are you asking? You know whose house is that? That property belongs to our sir's relative. That relative had written this property on sir's name about 2 years before. You know that? You guys want to see the documents? If you want to see the documents, we will show it immediately and you have to leave the place. So you have to believe what I've said now, okay?
Okay, what if we are not interested to leave the place? What are you going to do now?
Hey, what are you stubborn or what? If I react, you'll flee from here. Okay, who has actually purchased your house is actually sitting inside. So you go inside and talk to them
That's
directly.
better, otherwise you'll
Go,
get
go, go.
nicely.
Yeah, now let them go and
See,
see.
let
Let
them
them
get
get
it
themselves.
themselves.
Yeah. Let's see. Hey, who are you guys, man? What are you guys sitting inside my house and doing? Come on.
Hey, sir is asking you. Why don't you answer? Better move out, guys. Hey, I said move.
What? What, man? Oh, you are the house owner or what? Huh? You're sitting in my house and you're showing off with me, huh? In my house, you're trying to be my owner, huh? When people are absent, everyone tries to be the owner, huh? Hello, guys, throw everything out, man.
Boss, nobody's inside that room, boss.
What are you staring at, huh? In fact, I don't have the time to talk to you. This house,
It's your home. Now I want to vacate the home.
you said it. Educated girl, you understood what I said.
Oh my god, this girl made us into pieces and we are sitting here now. I don't know what is going to happen for this minister now. God alone should save him.
Where are the documents?
It's inside the room. Come inside. I will take and give.
Sir,
See how things are happening?
sir, please don't go inside.
no,
sir,
sir,
I'm
no,
telling
sir,
you,
don't
please
go,
don't
sir,
go
don't
inside.
go, sir.
It's for your good, I'm
No,
telling
no,
you.
no.
Sir, please.
Listen to us.
Sir, don't go, sir, sir.
Listen to us.
Sir, please.
Uncle. Hello? Uncle. Oh my God, again the phone is calling you. Oh shit. Hey, give the phone. Give the phone.
It's raining. It's raining. Don't do anything. Don't leave me. No. I'm sorry. I will not come here again. Please leave me. No. I'm sorry.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hey, it's been 10 days you have taken the money. Where did you disappear? You don't seem to be particular with your work.
Sir, you should ask Mohan only, sir.
Shut up, man. Ask Mohan only. Yeah. Who took the cash in bundles, man? You two only came and carried it away, right? Don't talk unnecessarily, brother. Did we actually take the money? Or did we actually put it in our account? Our job is only to count the money. Their job is to take the money. You know, right?
Okay, just stop it now. Don't talk too much. We need either money or a girl.
Hey, tell me where is Mohan? If it's money or his dead body, I will say. Mohan and his friend has actually purchased a bungalow in the neighboring village. They'll be there only 24 hours. If you want, you can go and see them there. Huh?
How do we believe you, man? As usual, they'll be there only 24 hours.
Huh? You didn't tell me even. He's in the bungalow, huh? If we go for 1 week, we will also enjoy and come. We got to go. Come, let's go.
You were asking for the house document, right? Come on, have this. Come on.
Oh, why are you asking all that right now? I only asked for the documents, but I don't know now where is my own documents. Oh my God. Actually, I made a mistake coming here.
Jump
Oh,
into that.
no.
Come on. Come on.
You really want me to...
Attention!
Venkatesh, Salem,
Nandakumar from Trichy.
Kadir from Coimbatore,
Subhash from Tinelveli.
Perumal from Pudukottai, Charan from Neyveli,
Saravanan from Salem.
Tirumalai from Tuticorin.
Rajashekar from Madurai.
Saraswati Nellur.
Nalini Kadalur.
Chandrakala Pudukottai.
All of you listen to me very carefully. Nobody should have a doubt that we are searching for the accused. All of you guys should go in a different costume. Some can go as hunters. Some to work in a toddy shop. Other than our team, Q branch team is also searching for those guys. Before that team, we have to somehow get those guys. And if the Q branch, if they get any doubt and they inquire you, remember your code word is MO5. This is a secret code word for this operation and they will understand immediately. Venkatesh, Nandakumar, Kadiravan, Subhash, Perumal, Shravan Kumar, Saravanan, Thurimalai, Harani, Saraswati, Nalini, Chandrakala.
Everybody be alert.
Yes, sir.
It is 3 days we have come. What are you planning now? You have no clue of what is happening around. Yes, cold water is suddenly getting hot, and then you find a dirty smell also coming out of that. Dude has got scared and he urinated, man. Nonsense, fellow. All of us are standing here and you're urinating here. No sense of it.
Hey, what guts you have to ask our boss? What do you think? I will kill you. You know about our boss? You know the power of our boss?
Don't think our boss is also that simple.
Ah.
In our place, when people see our boss, they also get scared. Do you mean children or what?
Hey, are you trying to fund make of our boss? I'll give you nicely, okay?
Hey!
Hey! No, don't beat me. It's paining.
Bloody.
Where is she going?
Where is she disappeared? Oh, disappeared. Oh, what? And she's gone. Hey, look, man. Oh my God.
If someone tries to come outside from that water, your body will come. You will not come alive. Kill you guys.
Hey, who are you guys?
Don't know us or what? The entire state knows us. How dare you ask who we are?
Do you know our big boss?
No, I don't know.
Hey, he doesn't know our big boss, man. I think
Will you
he's a
stop
dummy
it, you
fellow.
bloody-
Sir, now our boss has come. You will know who we are now. Boss, they are saying they don't know you.
Get lost, you fool.
Get up, man. I myself got hit badly and you are asking me questions. All these fellows are questioning us now. Come, let's go.
Come on, quick. Move on. What happened to you? Do you like me, dear?
No.
Am I beautiful for you?
No.
Will you become my life partner?
I won't.
If I leave you and go, will you cry, dear?
Never. You are not handsome. So beautiful. In my heart, everywhere you only. I'm mad on you. My life always with you only. If you leave me, I won't cry. But around me, everyone will cry.
phone is lying down here. I think with that I should escape. Hello, it's your father speaking, dear.
Hello, Daddy.
Dear, give the phone to your mother.
Daddy, I got the first mark in school. My miss also put good for me, you know.
Let it be, dear. Don't play with me without understanding my situation.
When you're coming, you have to bring Dairy Milk, Kinder Joy, and dolls also, okay?
Oh dear, don't play with me without knowing my situation. Please give the phone to your mom.
Why you're scolding me, Daddy? Hey, give the phone. Yeah, why you're not coming home in the night time? Where you are roaming still? Seriously, I'm saying you at least today come home in time, okay?
Listen to what
Trying to call someone. What? Inform somebody. Inform. Inform.
I don't know.
I will see the end of all of you.
Instead of taking you as an assistant, I could have asked a donkey to be my assistant. Look at your bloody face. When I ask you to wake up at 5 in the morning, you wake up at 7. Your appearance and your looks. Please come.
This master is giving me a lot of trouble. How can I have a bath so early? I have bath
What
only
a
once
water
in a
flow.
month.
What a wonder. Aha. Aha.
Oh no, water!
Where are you wanting to run away? Sit there.
Master, please
Sit.
leave me.
I am going to remove one by one of my clothes. Keep them carefully.
Okay, master.
Oh, Holy Lord Shiva. I am going to take a dip.
Okay.
Till then, you don't go anywhere.
Sure, master.
Be here.
Sure. Why is he bathing every day?
What the hell are you looking this side always? Sit down and do meditate.
But master, I've not had bath till now.
First you brush your teeth.
What is this? A noise is coming? Maybe it's just my imagination. Who's going to come here?
Hi, beautiful girl. So you were making the noise.
Come on.
Me? Seriously? But my master. Okay, leave him. I'm just coming, sweetheart. Yeah.
Om Holy Lord Shiva. Om Holy Lord Shiva.
Om.
I've never seen such a beautiful girl like you, dear. Oh my God, what a beautiful girl. Where can I find some place to enjoy with you? Oh dear. What happened? What happened, dear? Tell me. Oh, you mean this one? Okay, I'll remove it. Why, dear? Why so urgent, dear? Let me remove it. Come on, slowly.
Are you that ghost? I have only come in search of you. Better you leave this place and go. Otherwise, I'll turn you into ashes.
You're going to make me into ashes. Come, let's see who's going to become ashes.
Oh my God! Please leave me! Please don't kill me! Whatever the reason may be, don't drop this rod down. With this rod, you should strike the neck of the ghost. Only then you and your friends can escape. Once again, I am reminding you, at no cost should you drop the rod down. That will be detrimental for your life.
Leave me.